you have a busy little one, and when I say that, I say about 18 months or up, because this is what this product is recommended for. This is kind of like a little busy board, but it's practicing the fine motor skills of turning things on and off. So first off, it's off right now. It's battery powered, so you just have to change the batteries once they die. But the cool thing is, most of the time, 18-month children can't do this. So to turn it on and off, you have to use this key. So you put the key in the keyhole and you turn it. And that's what turns it on. And when you want to turn it off, you just turn the key, take it out. So they just get to practice like turning on and off different switches. And then if you want them to practice this without the actual lights, you can do that. But there's just so many different ones. This one's like a plug that you plug and then plug back in to turn on that light. And then this one that you kind of just turn, it has different color lights. This is just so neat. My 2-year-old is just gonna be obsessed with playing this. And like, you don't have, like I said, you don't have to have the lights on if you just don't want them on. It's really just up to you. So many different switches. This really is going to help them with their fine motor skills so much. And that's what we're really working on with her right now. And she's doing amazing with it. So I know this will definitely help her. So 18 months or up, use the link below to grab it for your little one.